Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Srinivas Nature Clicks. In this video you will be watching 4 unique bird species of Sikkim which is only seen in Himalayas. The bird which you are seeing is blue fronted redstart which I spotted in botanical gardens in Gangtok. There are plenty of these birds chirping in the park. Next bird is called malkoha, specifically green-billed malkoha, which belongs to cuckoo family. It has got a remarkably long tail, found in foothill forest, and it can give various amphibian like clucks and croaks. This large bird is called blue whistling thrush, found along streams in forested hills and mountains. True to its name, it does whistle, but I could not record in this video. And next, the tiny little bird is called white-capped redstart. It's a chunky, bright-colored redstart found along rushing mountain streams. It is a black with red belly and has got a blazing white cap. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.